knowing your life now compared to your life, 2, 3 years ago, we got people on the call that are going through their struggle. They're being challenged right now. They're in the thick of it. What advice would you give them?
I would say don't give up. It's gonna get very hard to a point where you're gonna feel like, oh, I can't get this. It's going to get easier. You have to be resourceful. When you get stuck, you know, take a 15-minute break, take a 30-minute break, but come back. It's weird because even when I'm working right now, I might get so stuck on something. I'll go to bed and I wake up like, oh, just I think I know what I did wrong, and I'll come back. So it's just don't give up. Keep pushing, be resourceful. There's so much out there. There's Google everything. Google, find somebody who you're in the same industry with, and just keep pushing on. It gets easier, and it's very rewarding. So just keep pushing.
Yeah, how important is that resourcefulness on the job? Because they hear about it, but they don't really know how it is. How important is that?
It's very important because there's when with this job you are given, like, I think, yeah, you're given tests. Oh, you have deadlines to meet. And when you're very resourceful, you can end up finishing something with let's say I can get a project that I have to do in 2 weeks, but because I've learned to be very resourceful, I can say, okay, this project might take 3 weeks, just to give myself a buffer in case I run into any problems. So when I reach out to my coworker, or I know what I'm doing, or I go on Google, I'm able to at least have a buffer for, so in case, oh, I still need a few more days. So just being resourceful means, good time management, having a being good at Google. There's so many things in Google that Google give you answers, and also Colaberry. If you ask for any help, oh, I'm stuck with this. Can you anybody help me with this? Somebody will reach out. So just open up. If you don't ask for help, you're hurting yourself. I don't think I always believe there's no stupid question. Any question can be answered.
All right, Farah, we appreciate you coming by and sharing your experience with us. We know you're a busy man now, so we're going to let you get back to your work, but we definitely thank you for coming by and sharing your story, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And thank you for having me.